Dirty South.
The realest. RNS Entertainment.
Dirty Red.
Let go. I got 100 bricks in my sack. You step to me, your ass go get hit with the bat. I'll lay you straight out like you was a doormat. I spray your whole clique with the fucking Mac. They dead. They dead. Your whole clique, niggas, man, they dead. That 32-inch, man, they dead. That pole hit your click, shoot you all in your head. Real shit, that's real to me. I sell bricks, nigga, that's real G, you ain't talking. Your girlfriend, she be walking. I'm fucking in the backyard, strapped up with your girl. We fucking each way. I'm fucking through the world. Bitch, I'm 1 in a million. Got a couple racks, that's $1 billion. Your girlfriend is a zillion. We get hair Brazilians. Your girlfriend wanna wax me, but I told her don't attack me. I got so much cats, G. Yo, bitch on my team. She suck your dick like True Religion. I ain't wearing no jeans. I'm killing niggas like you know. We know. 100 jacks, we throw. Shooting hoes like a free throw. Yo, bitch wanna go though. And I told her this is low though. Fuck nigga, no logos, we listen hard. Yo bitch selling soft, we killing niggas out, and we fuck them in the mouth. We don't give a shit, suck my dick if you don't like this. But when you niggas don't wanna fight this, kill your whole nigga and ignite this. Like a fire rocket, you niggas. Realest shit I ever wrote, all on me. Yo bitch be looking at me cause she know I'm G. Pulled up in that Latin, pulled up with that black shit. Hit your girl with that shit. Lead a bitch looking black, bitch, you don't wanna understand me. Coming from where I be, your girlfriend got no ID. Your whole clique tryna try me, but they get laid down like sex club in the Maybach. Your girlfriend in a hatchback. I pull up and I'm laid back with that black gang. Everything, red beans, on things, black shoestrings on me. Your girlfriend on me. That's 100 racks, that's 30 racks, that's 50 racks on G. You ain't got no problems, you can come see. If you got a nigga wanna come see, we can shoot. We can bumpin', your whole clique getting jumpin'. Yo bitch looking like what's up? We got the speakers bumpin', and your whole beatin' over. Yo niggas don't know us, praying like Jehovah, but yo bitches they owe us 50 million. With 100 racks, that's to a building. Fuck your girl, go through the ceiling. Hit the niggas like penicillin, but it ain't healing. You niggas spraying, you niggas talking. What you doing? You ain't flossing. In the club, yo bitch glossing them lips. She sucking. You already know you ducking. If I shoot them hockey sticks, your head go missing like Chucky. You ain't got problems with me. Your girlfriend tryna hit me. Your bitches looking at me, cause they know this catch is real lightning. Your bitch love me, fucking me. In the club like a real G. Killing niggas like Will C. Yo bitch like Pimp C. Flossing in the paint. Candy with the strength. My bitch is looking at me mixing scissor with the drink.
Shredded wheat. I'm in this bitch.
Got that oxycodone.
Syrup in my cup. This is Southern Boys. You know what's up? Smoking mud.
Smoking weed.
Dirty Red. Shredded wheat. RNS Productions. Real nigga shit.
The realest.